Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And this time we're demonstrating an AM/FM radio out of a '64 Cadillac. This comes from Doc's Garage in Chatsworth, California. And Doc's, I would call it an FM conversion, but since the radio was already AM/FM, we'll call it a power upgrade because this customer requested a new harness in place of the original connectors. You can just see it right there. So now it's a 4-speaker radio that went from 4 watts to about 90 watts combined. And so I've got it set to AM at the moment to the one strong station I receive so we can demonstrate the balance and fader functions during talk radio. So here we go.
I've been listening to you all morning. I walk around with this thing like a transistor radio, my telephone. And
front rear fader.
I read
First
this
I'm going to
National
try the
Review
center.
thing, and believe me, like y'all said, and
front rear,
Slicker said,
front rear fader.
Bill Buckley would be rolling over in his
fader adjust.
Okay.
What these guys
All
did with his
front,
previously wonderful
rear,
magazine. Nonetheless, Chris, when that thing said that Pete Headset tested out specific timelines.
Fader
set. Okay. Left,
That's
right, balance.
Operational details. Now, that
balance adjust.
And the
left,
anti-aircraft batteries.
All the way right.
Now, for them, they said
left,
when the minute that he
right.
started typing, there's some kind of automatic trigger that makes that a top secret.
Balance set.
Okay. Okay. Now we're going to switch to FM mode, and one thing I'll say here is that the center preset button no longer works due to a broken part inside the tuner. The only way to fix it is to replace the tuner assembly, which means buying a whole nother radio just to get this replacement part. So just so you know that in advance, and I have the rest of the presets set to stations in my area for a quick test, so here we go. Okay, now we're on FM.
And it's on the way in 2 songs on Family Life Radio. Or
That one drifted a bit. Okay. And as you can see, we press this button and nothing happens. There's the linkage, broken piece in the linkage. So that takes care of that. So she's ready to go back, and I'm ready to do some packing. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. And from the home page of that website, please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions about my options, prices, and turn times, because that's all in the work order. And it'll save us both about 15 minutes on the phone with each new customer. Once you have a work order in your hand, I'm happy to talk to you. So please do that research. That keeps me on the bench where the work gets done. That's where I need to be. I don't get anything done on the phone. So thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you to my friends at Doc's Garage for your business from Chatsworth, California, and we'll see you guys next time.